Hello everyone, my name is Rakha Anargya Wibowo and I'm from Informatics 48 International class, and in this video I'm gonna explain about my Calc 2 assignment for the number 3, and yeah, let's get going. Okay, so we already have this, I already wrote it down. We have the Rx equals to 5x plus 7 divided by x to the power of 2 plus x minus 6. Okay. So x represents the number of products sold by 1,000. Like for example, if x is 5, and then it means that it's 5,000, or x is 3, that means it's 3,000, and etc. So the Rx is the marginal revenue function. Okay, so answering the question for the A, integrating the marginal revenue Rx gives us the total change in revenue over a specific interval of product sales. So this also means that the revenue can increases or decreases based on the number of the products sold. Okay, so the why is the discount only apply if x is more or equals to 5? So the answer is the discount for x more than or equals to 5 is given because after selling products beyond 5,000 units, the revenue decreased by 5% per unit due to increased competition. So in business, this also known as a strategy, because every time there's an increased competition, we can apply discount so we can have more sales in our products. Okay, so for the next part, I'm gonna write down the integral for the function when the revenue is between x equals to 3 or x equals to 5 without any modifications whatsoever. Okay, so to write this down, it's basically we have the integral here, and from the revenue 5, because as usual Mr. Putri said that the bigger x always placed in here, and we place the x3 here, and we just wrote down the function. Oh yeah, the function itself is 5x plus 7 per per x power of 2 plus x minus 6. So this is for the first integral for the b. So in the second one, we got the revenue from x equals to 5 to x equals to 6. Okay, so from this integral we can write it down the same way. Oh yeah, but this particular question is affected, the revenue itself is affected by the discount. The revenue is affected to the discount. So how do we do this kind of question? It's simple. So we just wrote down the x here, so it will be a definite integral. We just wrote down the function here, the 7 x power of 2 plus x minus 6. So the next step is we just times it with the discount. So the discount function is 1 minus 0.0005 and then times x minus 5. So this is the integral for the B question. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this the second one first. So I can finish the first integral. Because we want to this to be more spacious here. Okay, so to finish this question, first we must define the integral of a. Okay, so this right here particularly is x plus 3 and then x minus 2. We transform this into the quadratic fraction first, and so we got x plus 3. So x plus 3 goes here, and then as usual plus the b for x minus 2. Okay, so this will, we will times the function with this, and x minus 2 here. Okay, I hope you can see it. So okay, what's next is we're gonna times, okay, so x plus 3, this cross out, and then this also cross out, and yeah, this also crosses out. Okay, so next is we just write the equation here, and equation is 5x plus 7 equals to the a. What's the remainder of this? Okay, so the a is the remainder of this, and the b is the remainder of this. Okay, so we just write a times x minus 2 plus b times x plus 3 here. Okay, so what do we do next for this step? Okay, so my preferred way to solve this kind of question is we just choose an x for each variable for a and b, and yeah, just finish the equation. Okay, so for example here I use x equals to 2 here. Okay, so if x equals to 2, then 5 times 2 plus 7. Okay, so a 2 minus all the x will be transformed into 2 here. Okay, so b also 2 plus 3 here. Okay, so okay, this will result in 17 here, and then a 0 here, plus b is 5 here. So this will result in 0 plus 5, 5. So 17 per 5 is 17 divided by 5. Thus, we have 17.5 here, and so this is the b. So, oh wait, I'm sorry. So the b itself is here, 17 per 5. Okay, simple enough. So okay, yeah, then we will do it for the a. So we need to make the b itself become 0 here. Okay, so how to make the b become 0? Simple. We use another x, that minus 3, because minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Okay, so we just write down the equation here. All the x becomes minus 3. Okay, minus 3 here, plus b minus 3 plus 3 here. Okay, so minus 15 plus 7 equals to, we will do this first. So a times minus 5, and then the b becomes 0. Simple. And then so minus 15 plus 7 is minus 8, and then a is minus 5 here, and then so this will result in 8 divided by 5, negative, it's positive 8 per 5. So this is the a variable, so the a is 8 per 5. Oh yeah, this I got this formula from a YouTube channel named Organic Chemistry Tutor, and I think this is, I really like this formula. Yeah. So we already found the B and the A here. What's the next step of this operation? So we just write the A again. Oh wait, because we already found the A, so it's just the A here. Okay, so A is the integral of the 8 per 5 here. 5 is the denominator, so we just put 5 here, and then just times it with the previous number here, x plus 3. Plus, same goes with the B one. We have 17 here and the 5 on the bottom, so we just write 17 here, then divided by, it has a 5 here, so 5 times the previous quadratic expression, so it's x minus 2 here. I'm so sorry, I forgot to put the dx right here, because yeah, we should all write the dx right here, and then 5x minus 2. So what's the next step? We just integrate. Basic, right? So to integrate this, we just move the 8 per 5 here, and then 1 per x plus 3 here. We just split these two here to the outside of the integral, so we can count it easier. Dx, yeah. So plus, the same goes for the b1 here. 1 per x minus 2. So this fraction will integrate, and it will become ln x plus 3 minus, because wait, oh no, plus, sorry, it's plus 17 per 5 ln x minus 2. So the ln itself comes from the integration of the 1 per x plus 3 and the 1 per x minus 2. So the next step of the operation is we just, because this is an indefinite integral, so we just times it, replace the x with 5 and 3. Okay, so this will be kind of long way to solve it. Okay. So I'm gonna erase this first. Okay, so this will become 8 per 5 ln, the first definite integral is 5 plus 3 times 17 per 5 ln 5 minus 2. Okay, so we're gonna use the first definite integral and then minus the 8 per 5 ln the second integral here, definite integral. So we just use 3 plus 3 plus 17 per 5 ln 3 minus 2. Okay, so yeah, thus the final result after calculating of this is ln 24 roots 5 of 162. Okay, because this is not an indefinite integral, so there will be no plus c. Okay, so we're lastly gonna finish the problem for the number C, the second question. So the revenue from x equals to 5 to x equals to 6, with the revenue is affected by the discount. So how do we do this problem? So first, okay, so I already transform this to a quadratic expression. And so I'm gonna ignore this part first, so I'm gonna do this first. So how to do this one? We just times x times 0.05 times x, and then 0.05 times 5. So this will result in 1.25 minus 0.05x. Okay, so from here, we can also simplify this into 20. Wait, no, sorry. So the 1.25 will be 25 minus x divided by 20. Okay, so that's the way to simplify it. So we already got this written down, so we're gonna write it down here first. Okay. So after we got the discount function here, we're just gonna do the calculation. So this will be times 25 minus x over 20. Okay, so this will result in 5x plus 7 times 25 minus x divided by 20 times x to the power of 2 plus x minus 6. So, oh, wait, actually I'm gonna just write the quadratic expression here. So this is x plus 3 and then x plus 2. So how do we make this a lot easier for us to do? So we just write down 1 over 20. Oh yeah, so times 5x plus 7, 25 minus x over 20, x plus 3, minus 2 here. Okay, so no, wait, where is there still the 20 here? Okay, so at this point we can count this part a lot easier. Okay, so for this I'm gonna use my the formula itself is x plus 3 x minus 2. So oh wait, so for the next step of this operation we're just gonna do a over x plus 3 plus b over x minus 2 here, and then this will times the quadratics, and yeah. Okay, so this will cross out, so we for the a is, wait, for this is 5x plus 7, 25 minus x here. So for the a is times x plus 3, and for the b is x minus 2. So again we're gonna find, okay, so this time we're gonna find the a first, so we're gonna delete the b right here. My apologies, so the a should be x minus 2 and the b should be x plus 3 right here. Okay, So we're gonna find the x that that makes the b0 first right here. Okay, so the x here is -3, so that we can get 0 on the b. So let's just plug in the 3. Because it's minus minus, and then this will become 3 here. Equals to a -3 -2 plus b -3 plus 3. So this is -15 plus 28 plus 7. 28 plus 7, 56, 5, 46. So 96 here, and then a is -5 for 0. So this will result in 181 equals to -5. There's the 5 will be -5 over 181. This is the a. The a is -5 over 181. So next we're gonna do the b part. Okay, so we already get the a here. I'm gonna save it. So to do the b, then we'll do the same procedure again. B is to make a 0. We're gonna use the x is 2. So 5. I plug in the 2 here for all the x. 2 a 2 plus b 2 b, and then 10 plus 33 161 here, and then a 0 plus 5 here, 171. 5. The b itself is 5 over 171. So this is the b. I'm gonna write it down here. Oh wait, here. 5 171. Okay, so for the next part, all we gotta do is just count the integral for a and b. So we already found that the a is 5 minus 5 over 181 times 8x plus 3 here, and then plus the b is 5 over 171. Okay, so the x minus 2 here. Okay, so we're gonna separate these. 181 integral, so this becomes so this becomes 1 over 181 x plus 3 plus 5 over 171 integral 1 over 171. I'm sorry. Should not be here. Yeah, this should not be here. This should be here actually. Okay. So all we gotta do is just count the denominator here. Okay. So how to count it? This will be 5 181 colon x plus 3 plus 5 over 171 colon x minus 4. So after calculating all of the revenue from x equals to 3 to x equals to 5, it is 4.16. So we're just gonna add to the revenue from x equals to 5 to x equals to 6, with the discount applied. So this will become 0.902, and the estimated answer will be $5.068 million in revenue. Okay, so I think that's it for my explanation video. I hope this video is good enough and useful. So yeah, thank you so much for listening, and see you everybody.